Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail.
Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain mesh workbench. On this different types of tools are available. You can observe same as like solid editing. I'm going to the mesh box. You can observe the different types of operations are available: box, cone, cylinder and the pyramid. I will explain these for three operations: mesh, box, cone and cylinder. I will explain this tutorial, and let's get started. After that, you can observe the screen. The grid is offing, and you can observe the here I am selecting the mesh box and select the first point and drag this, because this is in the 2D wireframe. On the top view I want to change these options, and I'm going to the 2D wireframe. I'm selecting the southwest isometric. After that, you can observe the southwest isometric view, and XYZ direction positions are changed to the some of the distances you can observe. And first select the mesh box and center point anywhere and drag that, and you want to specify the height. You can also specify the height. You want to change the dimensions of the length and the width of the any of that, simply double click on that. The properties will appear. So you can also right click on that. You can also available some of the properties. On the properties you can change the dimensions also. The vertex, how much vertex XYZ is required, what is the dimensions you required. By using this you can change the different types of bilayers, and the colors also you can change by using this right click option. And this is the mesh box. In mesh box different types of options are there. I am going with the center, how it is look like. I will show you. On the center point to the box will appears on, and exactly specify the height what you want. And next one is center. I am selecting again, and the second option is on the center. The cube and the length is there. You can observe the specify corner are. If you observe the cube option, it is looking like this. The developing of the material is like this by using the mesh box. And the next one is the length. Again, simply mesh box and click on the center point, and on the center point it is developing, and you can observe the length and specify the length over here of any of the direction of the length, and specify the height. According with the length it will form the one of the mesh box automatically. This is the mesh box operations. Again, I'm going to do the UCS icon. I'm changing to the no, and you can observe the three boxes. Different types of boxes are created with the different types of operations. Again, I'm giving the option box like this. You can observe the 2 point is available. Click on the 2 point. In anywhere you want to drag the 2 points to according with the any of the object are there adjacent to the object. You can develop the different types of objects by using the 2 point also. Selecting the first point and selecting select point. These are the options are available in the mesh box, in the operation of the mesh box. This is the mesh modeling. Already explained the solid surface modeling in the previous tutorials. You can watch also. And shaded with edges I am selecting. You can observe the solid with mesh will observe by using the shaded with edges option. Again, I am saving this object to the file, and you can observe the next one is the mesh cone. I want to explain with the mesh cone. And next one is the mesh cylinder and the mesh cone. Simply same as all the operations, same as like solid editing. Then only I'm explaining in fast. You want to go into the solid editing, you can also watch the previous tutorials of the solid editing. Simply give the base radius over here. You want to give the radius or diameter as your wish. Simply click on enter option. It asks to specify the height, and simply specify the height. Different options are available. I will explain this. And again, go into the mesh cone over here. Here it is showing the 2 point and 3 point is there. You can observe the center point of the base. I am selecting the same as one of the cone. You want to give the diameter, you can give the specify the diameter over here. The previous one is developed by using the radius. This one is developed by using the diameter option. These are the two options are available in this. Again, this is a 2 point height is there. You want to give the 2 points anywhere you want, same as previous. And you can observe the 2 points. The height will locate with respect to the 3 points. And next one is the base radius I'm giving. Again the axis and point is there. You want to give the any of the axis you want to develop this to intersect the object to by using the axis locations according with the XYZ directions. You can develop by using the axis. The next one is simply center point or base point. Again here one of the dimension is available, and giving the top radius. You want to develop the cone type meshed objects like this base radius and the top radius you can give. Then the two radius will form, then one of the cone will appears. You can also change the sides also by using this, and you can observe the one of the cone is completed. You want to subtract the object, you can also subtract. Next one is the mesh 3 point and 2 point and the tangent elliptical. And next one is I am selecting the 3 point. Simply go into the mesh cone, select the 3 point, and anywhere you want to click the 3 points. 1 2 3 points I created. You can observe. After that it asks to specify the height you want. You can give the specify the height. And the next one is the mesh cone 2 point. Simply drag the 2 points on the anywhere and specify the height. Then cone is created. Next one is the tangent. I will explain in next tutorial. This is the simply tangent objects. Two lines will take, and with respect to the two objects and give the radius, then the tangent will form. And you can observe the elliptical. See the elliptical option, the axis directions and the axis vertices will form. As compared to the cone, the elliptical object is different from that mesh cone. You can observe by using the 3D F-orbit. I'm going on that. These are the two commands of the mesh cone and the mesh box. Next one is the cylinder, mesh cylinder. You can observe I'm moving the object to some of the distance, and you can observe the mesh of the all of the objects are completed with the all of the operations. And next one is mesh cylinder. All as same process, all of the points. Somewhat changes may happen according with the software. This is the AutoCAD 2016 software I'm using, and you can observe the mesh point and giving the 2 point and specify the first point and specify the height. And you can observe the simply one of the cylinder is mesh object cylinder is created. You want to give the diameter of the 2 point of the axis endpoint. You can also give the axis endpoint. Again I'm giving the mesh cylinder. I'm selecting the anywhere and giving the any of the diameter, and I want to explain with the one of the diameter is completed. And next one is I'm giving the diameter or radius. Next one is the mesh cone, the 3 point 2 point, same as tangent and elliptical. You can give the different types of objects like this. You can observe the cylinder height is mentioned all clear in the all of the dimensions, and 3 point, and click the 3 points anywhere. Then same as cone, you can create the cylinder. Again the 2 point is created. Again the mesh cylinder, go on to the elliptical and select the first point and the second point and drag the elliptical type of cylinder. You can observe on the screen. These are the simple basic tutorials for the beginners I'm explaining. This is the nearly I uploaded 130 videos about the basic tutorials for the beginners, and you can observe the tangent. I will explain. See, you can observe the tangent, second tangent. Click on enter, and it asks the radius. Simply give the radius anywhere you want, then the one of the circle will create by using the tangent. These are the simple commands in AutoCAD in the mesh modeling, same as solid editing workbench. This mesh modeling, some of the smoothed objects will changes, some of the modifications will also you can observe by using this software. This is the 3 commands of the mesh cone, cylinder and the box.